My optimal control system is a part of modern control system in which I want maximum output for minimum input. Means I want to maximum output generation using minimum resources. This is all about optimal control system, and for in this you have to learn this formula: maximum output for minimum input. Always in calculus of variations, we have four types of problem, in which first is when initial time is fixed, initial state is fixed. For this, like x of t naught at t naught, this is my initial time, this is my initial state. X of tf at tf, this is my final time, this is my final state. For example, over here this is my time, here is my state. Let this is my starting point at t naught, and this is my x of t naught. This point is fixed, and this is tf, and this is x of tf. This is fixed. So for this type of problem, there are many paths from starting point to ending point or destination point. I want to find optimal state. Let this is my optimal state, x star t. It is denoted by x star t. This is my optimal state. I have to find optimal state in every case. For this type of problem, let example t naught is given by 1 and x of 1 is given by 1. tf is given by 10 and x of 10 is given by 2. Okay, so this is a fixed time, fixed state. Yeah, initial time is fixed and final time is also fixed. Initial state is fixed, final state is fixed. This type of problem is first type of problem, and this type of problem is also called Euler-Lagrange equation. This gives me Euler-Lagrange equation. Second type of problem, this is my first type of problem. In second type of problem, we have, this is my t, this is my xt, this is my initial time t naught, and this is my xt naught. Initial time is fixed and initial state is fixed. X of t naught is equal to x of t naught and t naught fixed, but this state is fixed, x of tf is fixed, but time is not fixed. We have my optimal state over here, over here, over here, this, maybe anywhere. In this case, x of tf is given, but tf is not specified. This is my second type problem. My third type of problem, in which x of t naught and t naught is specified, means given, but tf is also given, but x of tf is not specified. Okay, so in this case, this is my t, this is my xt. Let here is my x initial point, and my state, my tf is given. This is my tf, and my state is, let it be here, it be here, it be over here. So my final state is not fixed. For in this case, this is my third type of case. And my fourth type of case is when initial time or initial point is fixed and time is fixed and state is fixed, but tf and x of tf is not specified. In this case, we have, this is time, this is my state, and this is my initial point. So I can acquire my destination over here, over here, over here, over here. In this, tf and xtf both are variable. Thank you.